right, we miss you, Sarah Kate and Isabella. Sorry y'all can't be here. Hope you get to feeling better.
Who are you going to?
Huh? To them. Okay, the first one, we're going to do lesson 83. And I thought we'd done this one before, but I teach 3 different classes, so I'm not quite sure. This one is on geometric solids. Do y'all know what a geometric solid is? Okay, it's basically a shape of something that, so for example, yeah?
Is it like a shape of human?
Sort of
Like
maybe.
Something really detailed?
Yes, well, it's kind of like a cube, a rectangular prism,
yeah.
different things like that. So basically, this is a rectangle, right?
Oh,
Does everybody see
it's
that?
3D?
Yes. A 3D object is what we're talking about, okay? So a geometric shape is an object that has 3 dimensions, okay? So for example, this would be your typical rectangle, right? Okay? But if it had sides and a top and a bottom and all that, it would make up a geometric shape because it would have space that needs to be filled up, kind of thing. Does everybody understand what I'm saying? Okay, so let me kind of draw you. This would be a square, okay? And then watch what happens. Isn't that crazy? What is that?
Rectangle.
A cube. Okay? A rectangular prism, if you want to call it a rectangular prism, that's fine as well. Okay? But if I drew a square, it would just be a shape. Okay? But what makes it a geometric shape is that it has 3 dimensions. Okay? Kind of what you were saying. Okay?
Don't know what that means, but I like it.
So everybody, y'all look at page 435 at the bottom. Do y'all see that?
Yep.
Okay? Let's review those different shapes that are listed there. Okay? The first one you see is a cube. Do you see that? The next one is called a rectangular solid or a prism. We'll learn about that later. Okay, the next one is called a pyramid. See that? Then a cylinder. What's an example of a cylinder that we use?
Cup.
A cup? Coke can? Anything like that? Soup can? Okay? What about a sphere? What's an example of a sphere?
Ball.
A ball. And then a cone.
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone. That one was kind of easy. So those are just all the different geometric solids that we're going to be learning about today. But really the only thing that they're wanting us to learn in this lesson are 3 different things, okay? One is called the face, okay? The face of a geometric solid, not your actual face, okay? So I'm going to pretend that this is my cube, okay? Miss Phil had a cube, something she uses to put cards in, okay? But we're going to pretend this is our cube because it is a 3D object. It has length, width, and height, okay? So it has 3 dimensions. All right, so let's look at this. Yes?
You can't see it like in there. You can't see it like the whole thing.
This?
Yeah, you can see it, but like you couldn't see when you were holding the box.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you. I got what you're saying. Okay, so what I want you to do is look at this cube, okay, that we've got right here. Now, this right here is the face, okay, right here, okay? Guess what? There's more than just one face. Like, we have one face, okay? But a geometric solid has more than one face, okay? It's basically all of, like, anytime I turn it, it's basically what you're looking at. So this is a face. It has a top face, a side face, a left side face, a back face, a top, and a bottom. So pretty much everything that you see, basically the squares or the rectangles. So do you understand? So how many faces does this have? Let's count. Front, back, 1, 2, top, bottom, 3, 4, side, side, 5, 6. So this shape has 6 faces. Got it?
Ooh,
Okay. Look at the pyramid on page, on page 435.
What pages?
Okay. Now tell me, you can kind of see, based on the dotted lines, how many faces does that pyramid have?
Oh. 5.
5. Excellent job. Y'all both got it right, okay? It has a bottom, then it has a front and a back, and a side, right? Good job. Okay, so that's basically all you're doing. That's what we're learning about a face, okay? So we've learned what face means. Now let's learn what an edge is. The edge. And this is pretty much just what you think an edge would be, okay? Right here is an edge. Right here is an edge. Here, 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 here. So basically, where you would fall off if you were to stand on this. This is the edge. You would fall off of the edge. This edge, edge, edge. So these right here, this is an edge, this is an edge, this is an edge, this is an edge. See what I'm saying?
And if you flip it like that.
Yep, you kept flipping it, so this would be an edge, this would be an edge, this would be an edge. So help me count, okay? And it always helps me to maybe put like a check mark or something on it. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 edges from the top, 5, 6, 7 on that side, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Whoa.
Did everybody get 12 on that one?
That's a whole lot of edges.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges. Very good.
How many
Okay.
faces does it have?
This one had 6 faces.
Oh,
6
yeah.
faces and 12 edges. Okay, the last thing we're going to learn about, and you may want to do these lines like this to help you. Okay? Okay, and the next one we're going to learn about is called the vertex. Kind of sounds like the vortex or something you learn about in
Have you
Star
been-
Wars.
Have you been on that one?
Do what?
Have you been on the vortex at
Uh-uh.
Oliver?
No. Oh, yeah, at
King's Island?
Yep.
Is your
No,
name?
never done. So the vertex is actually a singular. Okay, the plural of vertex would be vertices. Okay, the EX changes to ICES. Vertices. Okay, and what a vertices is, you know?
Isn't the vertex the, like, points?
Yes,
Where the lines meet?
right where the lines meet, in the middle, right there. So a line here and a line here make this point.
Oh,
Okay.
there's so many. Oh.
So basically the points are the vertexes, okay, or vertices for plural. Okay, so let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 vertices. Okay? That's pretty much it. It's not really a hard lesson. That they just kind of teach you something kind of new to geometric solids. So